Are you managing your remote design team, or does it feel like the team is managing you? You find yourself chasing down files. You ask for updates again and again. Meetings feel scattered and long. Progress feels slow. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. The good news is that it does not have to be this way. You can build a remote design team that is productive, creative, and happy. This guide will show you a simple plan to make that happen. The secret to a great remote team is not a magic tool or a complex process. It is about creating clarity and trust. What to do, how to do it, and why it matters. We will break down setup, tools, feedback, real examples, hiring and onboarding. Clear actions you can take today to make a real difference. Let's get started. Before we get going, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips like this. Join our community of design entrepreneurs and never miss a strategy. Step 1. Simplify the process. Use one tool per job: chat, tasks, cloud, and design. Set simple rules. Clear file names, owners, and deadlines. Define roles and a leader to make fast decisions. Step 2. Hire the right people. Hiring for a remote team is different from hiring for an in-office team. You are looking for more than just design skill. You are looking for someone who is a great communicator, self-motivated, and organized. Did they follow instructions? Is their portfolio easy to navigate? Small details reveal how they'll work remotely. Ask, tell me about a time you had to complete a project with very little supervision. How did you structure your work? A short, paid trial task shows their process in action. Pay attention to how they communicate, how they ask questions, and how they deliver the final file. Once you've hired the right person, their first few days are critical. A great onboarding experience sets the tone. Use a checklist, set up accounts, schedule short virtual coffees, and walk through your design system and file structure. Give a small first task for an early win and faster ramp-up. Step 3. Schedule meetings, feedback, and reviews. To make remote work effective, you need a steady rhythm created by your meetings, your feedback culture, and your review process. Keep a weekly team check-in under 30 minutes to connect, share work in progress, and surface blockers. Create clear communication channels. Quick feedback in your chat and formal feedback in your design tool. Praise first, then offer one actionable suggestion. I love the clean layout. What if we try a bolder headline? For major reviews, schedule in advance, make roles clear, let the presenting designer lead through problem, goals, and proposed solution. Capture feedback in one place and summarize action items to close the loop. Respect your design team's focus time. Not everything needs a meeting. Use async updates and quick explainer videos for complex ideas. A healthy balance of synchronous meetings and asynchronous updates creates a calm, focused, and highly productive environment. Loving these insights? If this is sparking new ideas for your design business, hit that like button and let us know your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your input helps fuel our creative community, and we might even feature your comment in a future video. Step 4. Speed teamwork with design systems. A design system is a collection of reusable components guided by clear standards, like high-quality Lego bricks for your team. It ensures consistency and speeds work across time zones without constant oversight. Teams with mature systems report faster onboarding and fewer inconsistencies. Start small. Document colors and fonts, then create your most used component. Keep growing it as you ship features. Make one person the owner so it stays organized and up to date. The investment pays off in speed and quality. Beyond systems, your greatest asset is your people. Support their growth. Encourage a few hours each month for learning and share takeaways as a team. We have covered a lot: simplifying tools, creating clear rules, hiring the right people, onboarding effectively, meeting rhythms, feedback routines, and design systems, while supporting your team's growth. It can feel like a lot. You do not have to do it all at once. The secret to lasting change is to start small. Make one small positive change and build from there. Example: messy files. Create a simple file naming rule and share it. Meetings. Try ending every meeting 5 minutes early. Improve meetings. Share an agenda 24 hours before. Simplify a tool. Archive unused channels. Clarify a task. Add a clearer description and deadline. Start your system. Document your primary colors. Choose your one small change. Communicate it clearly to your team. Explain why and what you hope to achieve. At the end of the week, check in. Did it help? What did you learn? This cycle of small experiments builds a great remote design team. So, what is the one change you are going to make this week? Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a fellow designer who needs a boost. Or if you're ready to take things to the next level, head over to the DesignLemonade.com to sign up for more exclusive content.